Good morning, students. Today in this class we will read a very important topic, that is word. Okay. I write some words here. See, read, jump, play. What are these words showing? What are these words expressing? All these words are expressing action here. And the words which shows action are called verbs. So these words are verbs. So we can understand that verb is a word that shows action, event or state. जो वर्ड्स वर्ब होते हैं दे आर यूज टू एक्सप्रेस एक्शन, इवेंट और स्टेट ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके. ए सेंटेंस may have a main verb and helping verb or both. एक सेंटेंस में मेन वर्ब भी हो सकती है ओनली, हेल्पिंग वर्ब ओनली, एक अकेला हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी हो सकती है और दोनों भी हो सकती हैं. दस वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट ए वर्ब जो है इज ए वर्ड that are used to express an action, an existence or an occurrence. किसी चीज का होना, किसी चीज का करना होना या कोई चीज अगर घटित हो रही है तो उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए वी यूज वर्ब्स. ओके. ए सेंटेंस कैन नॉट बी completed without a verb. No sentences are possible without a verb. We can make a sentence without using a subject. We can make a sentence without using an object, but without using a verb we can't make any sentence. Only a word that is verb, only that word can make a sentence. Like we can say go. It in itself is a sentence also. Okay. But without verbs we can't make any sentence. And examples I have given you: see, read, jump, play, go, come. These all are verbs. We can divide verbs in two parts. Two kinds are there of verbs. One is kinds of verbs. There are two kinds of verbs. One is principal verb and second is auxiliary verb. Second is auxiliary verb. I told you that verbs have two kinds. One is principal verb and second is auxiliary verb. What are principal verbs? Principal verbs are those verbs which are used to express actions done by a person, thing, animal and animal. ओके, प्रिंसिपल वर्ब ऐसी वर्ब होती हैं जो किस लिए यूज की जाती हैं? कोई भी सब्जेक्ट इन ए सेंटेंस, इफ ही और इट परफॉर्म्स एनी एक्शन, टू एक्सप्रेस दैट एक्शन वी यूज प्रिंसिपल वर्ब्स. ओके, कोई भी पर्सन कोई काम करता है, एनिमल कुछ कर रहा है या बाय द थिंग्स कुछ एक्शन दिखाया जा रहा है, तो वी यूज प्रिंसिपल वर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, they are playing football. Then they is the subject, and what are they doing? They are, if we hide this word, they are football. This word is showing what are they doing? They are playing. Okay, the main word is expressing the action done by they. Understand? Like this, many words are there, many examples are there. The sun shines, the dog barks, all these words are showing the action done by these subjects. Understand? Now next one is auxiliary verbs. These verbs, auxiliary verbs, these verbs are used to express to help, used to help the main verb in completing its tense or completing its tense or mood. These verbs are used to help the main verb in expressing. You can write here, in expressing its tense, moods, etc. Okay, that's why they are called helping verbs also. helping verbs also, because they help the main verb to complete its to show its action with complete sense. They help auxiliary verbs, so they are called helping verbs also. For example, they are reading their lessons. Now, reading is the main verb, and who is helping in making the present continuous tense? There is are, that is auxiliary verb, that is helping verb. Okay, understand? These are two kinds of verbs. Next, we can divide principal verbs in two kinds, that are transitive verb and intransitive verb.